Just started getting E104 error.
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
First time today. AC unit is 4 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I installed last year in August and up till now haven't had a problem.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing that I'm aware of.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Please read my entire reply before responding. Please provide as much information as possible about the situation to help me provide as accurate an answer as possible. Along the way, you will receive an offer for a live phone call for an additional fee. We have some excellent experts who work by phone, and if available, one may be able to work with you by phone. I personally am not set up for accepting phone calls. The offer is optional, and if you choose to work with another expert by phone, that is fine. I will still continue to help here in chat as long as needed with no time limit. Once you accept the offer, you will be billed for the additional service of a live phone call, and I have no control over billing or making other experts call you. So if you do not want to be billed the additional fee, do not accept or ask for a phone call. What is model on unit?
3rd gen.
Overcurrent errors that begin with the letter E are typically caused by miswiring the thermostat during installation, or a worn part on the system's control board. Do you have a multimeter so we can do some troubleshooting?
No, I don't. I installed in August 2018 and has been fine since. AC last ran for 45 minutes Saturday.
Okay, let's see what we can check without one. Here is the E104 error. Make sure the G wire is still tight and secure at nest.
It's on, I checked already. I'm most likely going to return to Lowe's where I got it.
Have you had issues with any other appliances, and are power spikes common in your neighborhood?
Nope, none at all.
This is what Nest says about the error. Since wiring is good and nothing has changed, you can start by swapping it out. If issue continues after that, we need to get a meter and start checking voltage.
That's what I'll do, is just switch it out and go from there.
Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Please use the stars at top of the page to do this before you go, so I am credited with assisting you. Thanks again. I am here if you have further questions. Please remember to use the 5 stars across top of page to rate answer so question shows answered. Thanks again.
I'll do that, and thank you for your time. I'll keep this link open.
Sounds good. Look forward to hearing back.
I didn't authorize a phone call during last night's tech support, but I looked at my account and see I'm being billed.
I did not see or accept the offer neither. I will let admins know.
Thank you. And number 55357 semicolon and number 56842.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.